In this vlog, I'm going to CNC machine some tags to replicate that and turn them into that. Stay tuned.
Start it up.
Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this is the first vlog I think I've done of 2023. I hope we've had a good break over Christmas and all the best for the new year. So let's jump straight into this one. So I've got a bit of a small project on to do some carbon fibre plates for a trailer. The customer's got, I think it's a car transporter trailer made by a company I've not heard of before called King's Trailers. So I'm sure they're quite a popular trailer, but I'll show you what I've been given. So these two plates have arrived in the post. This one's not too bad. I mean, you can see it's very crudely had the figures scratched into them. This one has definitely seen better days. I mean, it's, yeah, that's proper rough, and you can't even pick up some of these figures. I'm not too sure what goes here, but I can pick up most of the top bit from this one. But I'll start to liaise with the customer and work out what the missing information is. But yeah, so I spoke to the customer. He was after just basically carbon fibre with a nice finish. With some 2-pack paint put in. It's dead simple, run of the mill like you've seen before, and hopefully it's going to be something more presentable to be attached to the trailer. So yeah, so I've got the heater on because it's absolutely Baltic outside, about -1 degrees, and it's 17.5 so far in here, so it's nice and toasty. So without further ado, let's get on with some programming. Right, that's it, the tags are all done. So yeah, I think there's quite a bit of an improvement on the old tired metal ones, and I think they should look really nice when they're on the trailer. But yeah, nice little simple project, which I think has turned out pretty nice. So yeah, another one done. On to the next one. Thanks for watching.